I'm Ivan.
And I'm Mike.
And today we're continuing the build on RZR, the 1000. So we're pretty fun. Last time we got a lot of stuff done. We got the suspension on, we got the wheels on, we pretty much made it almost run and drive except the bell. We ran into a little bit of an issue, but we got the bell in order. But while that's coming in, we're gonna do the rest of the parts. We got the headlights we're gonna put in, we got aftermarket headlights, we got some mirrors, we got some LED bars, we got a front screen, and we got seat belts. So pretty much we gotta do all this stuff, and hopefully the bell will come in then and we'll go for a test drive. So let's get to work. Alright guys, let's check it out. Here's the LED bar. Pretty nice. Got the headlights and LED bar.
Oh yeah.
So we'll be pretty much ready to drive it at night. But let's get on the frame machine and fix that little part in the rear. So here we have it. We got the RZR finally on the frame machine. Let me show you guys why we got it on here. So pretty much where the control arms bolt up, it has this nice plate right here and it's caved in. And it's making the wheel sit incorrectly. So we're gonna have to just try to pull this plate out a little bit. It shouldn't be that hard at all. So let's try it out. Okay guys, just like that, we got the frame pulled out. It's very easy. We got it strapped down and it pulled very easily. So now the wheels are looking straight. Looks like it pulled out, it's not dangling anymore. The next step is to figure out how to put these seat belts in. So these are not original seat belts, so there's a lot of them in there. This one, this one, this one. It's gonna be a little puzzle, but we're gonna try it out. Boom. Are we going jumping?
Skydiving.
Okay. Oh, oh. Wow, look at that. Something like right here. And the rest of the car. All right. Something like this. Boom. Boom. All right, let's get these bolts in there. All right, guys, so here we have it. The belt finally came in. Looks brand new, smells good. So let's get it installed. We got the belt installed, so now we're ready to go for our first test drive.
All right.
All right, I think that's gonna be a really good, successful first test drive. We did a little bit of donuts in the backyard. Got a little bit of clearance here. So far looking so good, but we're gonna have to hit, a nice trail and really test it out. But so far, it's good, it's really nice.
All right, guys, so we're out there having fun, and our belt doesn't look so good.
The one we waited for months.
Maybe we put it on wrong, or it's a cheap belt, or something's rubbing, but it's fun while it lasted. So we're gonna dig into it and see what's going on. All right, guys, so after doing a little bit of research, we understood what happened. So basically, you're not supposed to just rip it right away. You're kind of supposed to break the belt in before, installing a new belt. Who knew? Honestly, it was a lot of fun. I had a great time doing donuts in the back. But we got an OEM new belt. I went and picked it up. A little more spendy, but we're definitely gonna treat this one right, install it. Basically, you're supposed to kick it a little bit and then let it cool down a little, break it in properly. There's a system. Who knew? Definitely the first time on these kind of things, but hey, we're learning, we'll keep going, figure it out. But we already looked up, there's actually a track locally that we set a date. We're gonna go out there, have fun, actually test this thing to the full limit instead of just, in their backyard doing donuts, which is a lot of fun anyway. But let us know if you want to see that. We'll do a price breakdown and how much it costs us at the end, and basically test it out. And if anything else you want to see us do to it, let us know. Comment below what you like, what you didn't like, what you want us to, test out on it. But
I mean, there's a lot of other options we can do. Like there's LED bars, or there's like the pole stick LED. I think we should buy that. Speakers, should we get for that?
Yeah.
The little side cage thing, bumper bar.
So many accessories,
bumpers.
so many things we could do. I mean, there's so many options, but let us know what you think about it. If you enjoyed this video, we have more projects coming up for sure, but that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for staying tuned, watching, and make sure you don't miss the next stuff we have coming up. Till next time.